everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add end cards to your videos. It's actually pretty simple. There's a lot of videos that I've made outros to them, but I've never actually made the end cards to them. So let's just get right into it. So first what you want to do is you want to go to your videos once you're in YouTube Studio, obviously. So go to videos. Okay, and then once you're in videos, you want to find the video that you want to add the end cards to. So I'm just going to use the how to use Vlogstar one, but it's like the second version of it. So details, and then you want to go to details. Wait for it to load, Okay, and then here it'll show you this. Yeah. A lot of me. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go to end screen, and then again wait for it to load, and then this little screen will pop up. You can watch like the little part like where it thinks you want it. So okay, so as you can see there, when the clip started, that is when it wanted to start the end card. So let's just say right here you want to add an element. So you can do any of this. Now obviously it'll give you a couple options as well. I just like using this down here because it's easier and it's more customizable. But I think I am gonna do a certain video style. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So you want to position it to the point where you want it on the screen. And just keep doing that, and then you can also change it. So I'm gonna just do best for viewer, and then I'm gonna add element, and then add another video, and I'm gonna keep it at most recent upload. Okay, so yeah, and then I am also gonna do 2 playlists. So actually no, I'm gonna do a different way. A different way. All right, so I'm gonna add the tutorials playlist just because, well, this is a tutorial. The video is a tutorial, and it might not always fit, and if it doesn't fit, it's okay. But then what I'm gonna want to do is I'm gonna add subscribe. Don't go to channel that if you can go to channel, but if you go to channel, it won't do it for your channel. It'll do it for a different channel. So just do subscribe, and then yours will pop up. And there you go. There's the end card. Now it looks a little crappy right now, but I suppose we can watch it. Okay, so like I said before, obviously it's not the best fit right now. That's okay. It doesn't always need to be, the perfect fit. It will help you wind it up if you're having troubles with that. So like right here would be pretty good, or right here would be even better, and then it would be, nice. And then we want to click save. And I'm gonna do something else before we end this video. So there's an end screen, and then there's cards. If you don't know what cards are, there's the little information things at the top corner that pop up and say like, hey, you should watch this video or whatever, if you know what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, is if you watch a YouTube video and then there'll be like that little eye at the top, and then at a certain time it'll like show a video. It'll show like a little animation of a video popping up, and if you were to click on that, it would show you the video. That's basically what these are. So I'm just gonna do video for mine again, and I'm gonna go to how to use Vlogstar, because because, and then as you can see here, it says suggested how to use Vlogstar. Seconds. Okay, so let's just say I want it going for 2 seconds, which it's 0 2 by the way. And then when you play it, where's the button? It'll play for 2 seconds. I don't know why it keeps pausing. I think that's just because my recorder's on and it's like so. But anyways, that'll pop up for about 2 seconds, and there you go. So let's just save that for now. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's my second recording ever recorded on my computer because my recorder is being, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And remember, if you want to shout out, just go. If you want to shout out, then just comment, subscribe, and like. And then I'll pick a random comment, and that random comment will get a shout out in the next video. Now, no shout out for this video, but yeah. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.